Hello chosen ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to farm in Witchspire. Farming is an important part of progression in Witchspire. While the game doesn't focus on hunger survival like many other sandbox games, farming still plays a major role when it comes to crafting materials and producing food for healing, making it a valuable system to invest in early on. To get started with farming, the first thing you'll need are seeds. If you've already cleared Froblin Cave near the beginning of the game, then you're already close to the main location where you can buy them. From the cave's exit, head forward and look to your left, where you'll find Morella's shop. Inside Morella's shop, you can purchase a variety of seeds that can later be planted in your farm. The main drawback is the cost. Depending on the type, seeds usually range from 100 to 250 coins each, so buying enough to start a proper farm can get expensive fairly quickly. Because of this, I recommend saving up a decent amount of coins beforehand, especially if you plan to grow multiple crop types at once. Once you've purchased your seeds, the next step is unlocking the garden plot recipe in your luminaries. After unlocking it and placing down a few garden plots, you'll be ready to start farming. Planting is thankfully very simple. Just hover over the seed in your hotbar and press left-click while facing an empty garden plot, and the seed will automatically be planted. The good news is that Witchspire keeps farming very low maintenance. You don't need to worry about watering crops, fertilizing soil, or dealing with complicated farming mechanics. Once planted, all you need to do is wait for the crop to fully grow, then harvest it and collect your rewards. And that's everything you need to know about how to farm in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.